Paul the Trombonist here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play trombone in less than 10 minutes. Real quick, when I recorded this I said 10 minutes, but it actually turned out to be 5 minutes, so it's a little extra bonus for you. So whether you're a beginner, whatever, by the end of this video you should have a really good understanding of everything you need to do. Okay? The first step we need to talk about is sometimes when we think about blowing into an instrument, we think that we need to actually blow into it, but it's kind of misleading term actually, because we're actually buzzing with air pushing through the instrument, and that's really what we're doing. So that's the first step, because I know a lot of people, when they see a trombone and everything, they think they blow an instrument, and if it's their first time doing it, they'll literally blow into the instrument and nothing comes out, and it's because we're actually buzzing it. And this is essentially just an amplifier of what's going on in our mouth. So the first step is you need to know how to breathe. Okay, so you're obviously listening to me, you're breathing because you're live. So that's the first step. The second step is we want to buzz. So we want to go like this. Okay, see my dog, that freaks him out. So once you can buzz, then we just need to buzz through the mouthpiece. And this is essentially a microphone, and that's a speaker, and it's just amplifying what's going on. So we can go like this. And that's really what's going on. So now that you know how to do that, so the first step is just to breathe normally. The second step is to go like this. And then the third step is to do that in the mouthpiece, okay? Once that's feeling good and you understand the conception of how the sound is being made, then all you need to do is we need to know how to assemble the trombone. We need to know how to hold the trombone. And it's really simple. You got the trombone like this, okay? And then you just put it up like that, right? Like this. And it should be a 90-degree angle, a right angle, okay? And all you got to do is you just use these 3 fingers here. You put them in here like this. Boom. You hold it. And then this is almost like you're doing like a fake gun or something like that, right? And then you put your thumb up here like that. You put this right here like that. And you're going to hold it like this. It's going to feel awkward at first. Of course, it's going to feel awkward. It's new, okay? So it's going to feel awkward at first, but that's all good. It will get more comfortable the more you hold it. So then you're going to hold it like this, okay? Just like that, right? Then you got the mouthpiece like this, okay? The mouthpiece like this. You put it in there like that. So then what you got to do is you're just going to buzz the same way that you were buzzing in the mouthpiece, but you're going to hold it like this. You want to make sure that these 2 fingers are here, and then the thumbs go on there like that, okay? And you're just going to go like this. You want to make sure that the corners are tight here, and you're going to buzz it. And if you were to hear what it sounds like, it's just amplifying what's going on. Now, at the beginning, you're not going to be able to match the pitch from the mouthpiece to the trombone. That happens once you get more comfortable with it. But just realize that the pitch will start to form. Your body will naturally know how to adapt to forming that pitch. Now we got to look at the trombone. We got 7 positions here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how can we think about it? We got 1, we got 2, which is like about an inch down like that. We got 3, which is by the bell. We got 4, which is a little past the bell. We got 5, which is about here. 6, and then 7 is all the way out without the instrument falling down, okay? Now I'm going to teach you a song now that you know that. And you all heard of 3 blind mice, right? We're going to do that together, okay? It's really quite simple. So we're going to go. So what we got there, we're going to go first, third, fifth. So right there, first, third, fifth, 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 third, third, first, third, fifth. So remember, first is here, second's here, third's here, fourth's here, fifth's here, sixth's here, seventh's all the way out. Now you may be thinking, well, how do I remember that? It's all muscle memory. You know when you learn how to ride a bike, how do you know how to balance it? Your body just naturally remembers through repetition. So you'll get used to it. And then you just go. First, third, fifth. So that is how you do it, my dear friends of the world. My name is Paul the Trombonist, and hopefully that was helpful for you. See, my dog's really excited about all this. If you're new here, I love trombone. I share my love of music and trombone with the world here, and thank you so much. We're over 50,000 subscribers, and I'm on a goal to get to 100,000 subscribers. It would mean the world to me to get that YouTube award for all of us to show us our love of the trombone with the world. And I really appreciate you all so much. Paul the Trombonist signing off.